out, two. Read it, read it. Shot, take shots. Oh, nice shot, keeper. Take those shots. Nice JP. Ready, get ready. Read it. Big bounces on the field. Field.
Guys, we need to shoot better.
Didn't go in.
Come in, let's keep it up.
Cross.
Yes, we just
Get up. Jaden, shot. Nice, keep them coming. Keep that pressure up, guys. Watch those big hops.
Cash. Way to go, Cash.
Big hops, guys. Read it. Read it.
Lucky me. Yes, beautiful.
On the outside.
Cash.
Juju and Evan, stop. Juju, Evan, Juju.
Let's go, Evan.
Evan on this side.
To Juju.
Juju.
It's open.
That's it, Juju.
Your
Win
third.
that.
Watch 39, Juju. Evan, watch 33.
Sauce. Come on, Pat. Get it off to the side. There we go.
Guys, mark up, mark up. Watch 39, Juju.
It's a lot of walking. Come on, boys.
Get it out, Ole.
To the sides, guys. Go your way.
Cross, Juju, make it run.
Guys, Juju, talk with them. Say I'm open.
Hold on, he's getting annoyed.
Unlucky, mate. Good effort.
Go, Ale.
Juju, get up. Get Juju.
All right.
Come on, guys. Go, Ale.
Use the line. Still in. Still in. Come on, in the middle.
Nice. Right across. You got that. Make it run.
Say Juju. Nice. Bring it back.
Make it run,
Turn it
Juju.
to
Got
Juju.
You got Juju. Read it. Juju,
Juju, go.
Stay with it. Don't give up on it.
Ready to get involved. Go on, Ale. Idea. It's a nice idea.
Get it on goal. Clear ball, guys.
No worries. Next play, guys. Next play. Time.
Shield it.
Get time. Deep breath, guys. Get it up and out. Get it up and out.
Still in.
Still in, guys.
Still in.
No worries. Get back. Get back.
All go!
Jaden. You got Juju, you got Juju, you got JP.
Go, Juju! Nice! Way to keep the pressure on him. Yeah! Let's go! Nice throw in, Juju. That was all from the throw in. Great throw in.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yes!
Way to battle, Alex.
Wait, guys, huddle in, without the coach, without the coach. Guys, without the coach.
Hey, get some water.
What?
Guys, he's a quarter. Stand up. The quarter.
Wait, what? Never mind.
But guess what? When everybody goes, I'll get yours. You guys
Alright, get some water. Make sure you guys are hydrated.
right?
Brent, can we talk? Can we dump our water on you?
Of course.
What am
You
I?
guys know positions? Pass
Guys,
that.
position!
Guys, you guys know positions? Come back.
Except that.
Evan Bell on the right side, wing back. Evan, you on that side, Juju, you on this side. Jaden, back there. Noah, that's guys, let's do it. Bring it. Let's go. Well, that switch is always here. Alright. So happy.
Again. It's a hand. Go on, Noah.
Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep the pressure up.
Poke it through.
Nice.
Stay with it, Jack.
Juju.
Nice.
Jack.
Way to
Good run, Juju. There you go. Noah. What did you do?
Nice.
Read it.
Get in front of him. Get in front of him.
Gotta get here, bro.
Help, Sean. Let it go. Camera lock. To Jack. Ref's gonna call the game, not you.
You know it. Man on.
Yes, Noah!
Nice pass. Good pass, Jack.
0-0.
Need to bounce. Side.
Use the sides. Sides. It's alright. Slow down, boys. What's going on, dude?
Yo, way to be accurate. No,
I saw you in goal,
way to
man.
be
You were-
accurate, bro. Do it again.
yeah, top two. 2-0 to Jack.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
This is the champion game?
Yeah.
Who's right now winning?
Jack's team. 2-0 so far. Some nice hardware.
Thank you.
See you, mate.
Need to bounce.
Come on, let's get away.
Did you win?
Use the side. Let it go, Jack. Sorry.
Please get me to the outside.
Nice catch. Yours, Jack. To Noah.
Go, 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 go. Push. That's it.
Yes. That's it. Bring it. Go on, Noah. Jack, put Noah through. And again. That'll do it.
It's a beautiful ball. Come on.
There it goes. Black throw.
Good idea, but you could have did it. Go, Taylor.
Are you coaching? Are you coaching them? Oh, you also get that?
Yeah.
This is yours? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I saw
You ready, Maxwell?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got one too.
Yeah, no, everyone saw it at, I think it was Riverside. Right? And everyone was like, oh, is this good? I'm like, yeah, it's okay. You have to, like, the cool thing is you can, you come closer, you can see on your Apple Watch,
Wow.
and then you can, like, move it if it's in the wrong place.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, my wrist is like,
Oh, you actually generate a lot of heat?
no.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I saw this.
Yeah.
Like, I think the first started.
It's like
Yeah,
$300.
yeah, and I don't even know.
No, that's the thing. It's like you can stream to anything, right? You can stream to Game Changer, YouTube, whatever.
I like to have a little umbrella.
Little umbrella, keep it, you know.
Did you buy it or
You came with it.
it come with it? Okay.
Yeah.
Fancy.
Half time. All right.
Hey, good job.
Come on. That's a nice goal.
Nice goal.
Everyone was asleep. They're like, what? Yeah, good stuff. All right, just remember. It's a nice first half, team.
I have,
Guys, if we win,
hydrate, okay?
put your water on the
Hydrate.
coast. Yeah, if we win, don't put your water on the coast.
Drink some water. You guys are playing well. Keep up the same energy. Okay. Drink, hydrate. Let's keep up the same energy. Let's not let our guard down, right? Stay focused. Stay within the team.
Guys,
Keep
don't get
those passes.
overconfident.
Yes.
Don't get overconfident.
This team is going to come at us.
Okay, guys.
The lineup is I have Cash in goal, Lucas and Evan Bell as my defensive backs. Juju and Jack T is my wing back. No, CGM, Jason I have in middle disorder. Ale I have in center attacking mid, and Noah and JP. Okay? Alright. Bring it in and bring it up. Bring it in, bring it up. Bring it in, bring it up. Culver! Let's go! Give you a break from us.
Still same energy, guys. 0-0 to score.
0-0, indeed. Come on. Your goal.
Noah, how many you gonna get this time?
Everyone's a start.
How many? How many you gonna get?
I don't even know.
Come on, have confidence. Let's go.
He's going to ask you guys to stand up so he sees you.
Noah, how many?
11.
Maxwell.
Thank you guys.
Call it. How many?
Number 11, you needed to rest. You scored enough. 11 and 25.
guys. Keep bringing it. Let's go. Nice, Juju. Nice read. Get Noah.
Oh, you gotta call for it. Call for it. Go. Push, push.
Yes, beautiful ball, Noah.
Push. Get in front.
That was a nice pass. Nice pass.
There you go. Nice way to fight for it.
Call for it. Communicate. Communicate, Maxwell.
Ooh, way to go.
Nice, Ale. Read it, read it.
Way to move, way to move.
Just bounce.
Nice.
Good job, Reagan.
Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Watch the crash. Watch the crash. We're gonna try to cross and crash. Mark up, mark up. Watch 30.
Good job, Jack.
Who's coaching the other side? Get there, get there. Nice. Way to be there.
Way to go, JP. Take off.
Make sure you call for it, Noah. Noah, make sure you call for it.
Hey, guys.
It gets to him quicker.
Drop
Call
ball.
for it.
No worries, no worries. Next play, guys. Nice read. Man on. We're ready. Look for the cross and crash. Step on it. There you go. Oh. Nice. Way to get out of there. Way to read it.
2-on-2, Noah. Take your time. Take your time. Hurry up, go. Hurry up.
Still offside.
Good
Still.
play.
Gonna go after you.
Good play. Good play. There you go. Get in front. Get in front. Get in front. Go.
Stay with it. Stay with it. Get it upfield. Quickly.
No, Jackie. You
Read
gotta
it.
look.
Read it. Pressure.
Maxwell, try to
Make
kick that next
decisions.
shot.
Make them
Get it
make
outside.
decisions.
Try to kick that next shot.
Nice, Evan. Careful. There you go. Get it out. Nice. Mark up. Mark the cross and
Look where you
crash.
was at. I think you could have made it. Okay? All right?
Watch the cross and crash. Mark up. Mark 31. 36. Beat it. Nice, Juju. Way to get it out of there.
Good job, Juju.
Look at that pressure. Way to delay.
Back post.
Nice. Keep it on the outside. Keep it on the outside. Nice work, guys. Nice work.
Into the space, Jack. There's a whole field here.
Nice, Jack.
Go, pressure.
Don't let up, guys.
Pressure, pressure. Let's go.
Nice. Keep it down.
Way to go, Cash. Bounce. Come on. No, no. Ah.
Go, fight for it, let's go! Let's go! Play!
Jackie, don't jump.
Play! Give me a play! Good try!
Daddy Evan.
Give me a play, another play! Communicate!
Jack, run to goal.
Go!
That's you.
In the middle!
So Jack, keep it with it.
In the middle!
To JP.
Pressure.
Take it, Evan.
Cash has got it.
Nice catch.
Way to call for it.
Fine. Keep on the outside.
Breathe.
While they running really fast, Noah, remember you can stop the
Nice
ball.
punt.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's-
Is
No, I'm sorry, dude.
All right.
He was here earlier this morning.
Yeah, you keep the pressure up. Keep them making decisions. Force them to make decisions. Watch the middle.
All right, Jack. It's already out. Left throw.
Watch the throw and keep an eye on Nico.
Remember, face their goal, Jack, not yours. For the return. There we go.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Set
JP up.
Move the ball. Good
Go,
pass.
JP! Beautiful. Oh!
Good pass, Noah. Good try, Jack.
Ready, guys?
Pressure him, Noah. Everyone.
Watch the crossing pass. Nice, Zeke. Woo. Perfectly. See what they do? They want to hold every back. And they cut it cross. I have Juju and Lucas. Always had it. Always been right Noah. Yeah, good shit.
Go, Evan. You got, hey,
JP!
use your trick.
There you go. I like it. I like it.
Fred, maybe we should
Come on, stick with him.
That happened. Oh, wait, I have you back. Oh. Yeah, I have you as a wing.
No, when you got that ball like that, use your trick.
Yeah. Nice
Cash.
Take your time. Keep it on the outside.
Do you know how many minutes Jack's dad?
I don't. I'm not watching the clock.
Put pressure on him.
I forgot to see what time it was when we started.
Go, Evan.
Does that make automatically fall off?
Evan takes it. Evan.
Turn around on the ball. Let's go.
Zeke.
Way to reset.
A lot of blue.
Cover. Watch the cross. Watch the cross. Nice. Way to be there.
Good job, guys. Way to follow that ball, guys.
Park Watch the crash. Watch Nico. Nice, Ale.
Stop, Matt. Go, Matt.
To the outside, guys. Nice, Evan. The pressure on him.
Communicate, okay? Make sure you communicate.
No worries, no worries.
There you go, Zeke.
Way to cover him. Way to cover your teammate. Nice work, guys.
Score 0-0, guys. Let's go.
Put the pressure. Don't give them time.
Yeah. Don't stand around.
Don't give them time. Put that pressure. Nice, Juju. Get it out.
Pressure, fast, fast, fast.
You go. Gotta go. Go ball. Go ball. Remember, don't let the ball come to you. You go to the ball. Stay with us. Stay with them. Nice, Evan.
Body up, Evan.
You
Go,
go.
go. Good job, Evan.
All right. Come on, come on, you guys.
Bring it in, Blizzard. Nice stuff. All right. Yeah, buddy. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff.
Guys, stay on the field.
Grab water, guys. Grab water.
Guys, come on, let's win this one.
Evan, check out Cash.
Get some water, guys. Get some water. Get some water. Hydrate.
Grab a drink.
Keep up the same energy. Let's not let our guard down, okay? Keep up the same energy. This quarter, I have Juju and Lucas sitting. You guys ready for a solid 3 in this heat? Man, nice work, guys. Nice work. For this quarter, I have Cash in goal. I have Noah as my left defensive back. Evan Bell is my right defensive back. I have Evan Robles as my right wing back. Jaden, left wing back. Zeke. Oh, sorry, left. Flip it. Zeke, CDM, Ale is center attacking mid, JP, and Jackie up top. Okay?
Guys,
All right.
this final.
Who wants to take us out? Who wants to take us out?
Me. Oh, I got it.
How
I
about,
got it.
go ahead.
It should be someone. City on me. City on 3. 1, 2, 3. City.
Go!
You guys covered that side really well. Nice work, JP.
Hey, fellas.
That was close over there. I thought you had that.
Yeah.
Not letting him guard up either.
Yeah. Oh, you got yacht rock. It's amazing. It's great. Yeah. Yeah. I've got the actual video to give. For it.
You have it.
Yeah. Oh, one this morning.
Try, nice try.
That one this morning. And I was like,
Nice, Zeke. Stay with it. Stay with
they
it.
were like,
Nice.
what you got? I was like, don't worry, there's others.
All right, watch the crash. Watch the crash, guys.
Watch the crash, get it out.
Get it out. Nice,
Yes,
Ale.
Ollie, that's the way to go. Pressure him, Jack. Don't jump. Remember, try not to jump.
Good job, Noah. Good job, Ali.
Come on.
Get it up. Keep the pressure up. Don't.
Doing great, guys.
Nice. Don't let up. Don't let up.
Keep the
Got
pressure on them.
guys.
They might make a mistake.
Time. Nice, Ale. Lead it. It's gonna bounce.
Take it, Evan.
Nice, Evan. Gotta get it up. Nice, Zeke.
There we go. Put it in the parking lot, Zeke. Keep the pressure on, Jack. You
Stay
can't
with them.
jump.
Recover. You got this.
Don't jump.
Nice. Nice, Noah. Wait to be there. You ready? Watch that crash. We're gonna cross. Watch Cooper. You have time. You have time. You have time.
Might roll it out to you.
Deep breath, guys. Deep breath. It's on the outside. Nice, Cash. Beautiful punt. Nice punt, Cash. Perfect. That's all right.
Go, JP. Oh!
Hit the woodwork down the kids. Evan, watch for deflections and boot one.
Follow it in, Jack.
Good. Skill this.
Nice.
Nice pass, Evan.
Nice.
It's a throw. Let's go.
You got it. Read it. Nice.
It's yours, Jack D. Keep it up.
Nice, Zeke.
Beautiful, right? You got time. You got time. You got time.
You're faster. Who's faster? Nice, get it out, Noah.
Oh, no.
Boot it. Nice, Evan. Deep breath, guys. Deep breath. Watch the crash.
Good job, Evan. Check your breath.
Penalty.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Next play. Next play. Don't worry. Head up, Alex.
Use up the time. over the bar. Smell it. He's leaning back. Bang!
Yeah!
Still live. Yes, Cash!
Woo! The recovery to get the.
I know, the second.
The second one. Jeez.
Great job, guys.
Cash money all around me. Dollars on my bill, y'all. Edits are good. Rest of it.
All right, mark up, JP. Watch Logan. Nice, get it out.
Get it out, Noah.
Oh, let's go. Nice,
Get it
David.
out.
Ooh.
You want to see the face? Take your time. Keep it on the outside. Nice, Zeke.
That's JP. Bounce. It's you. Just take it.
Now go. Nice try. Put the pressure
Good
on them.
pressure, Jack.
Always make them make decisions. Incidental, keep playing it, no whistle, no whistle.
Don't hear a whistle. Keep moving.
Nice, big, ooh, so close, so close. I love it, I love it.
Beautiful.
Nice, Evan. Yeah. Nice, perfect.
Oh, good idea, Jack. Jack.
Stay with it, Jack D.
That's it. Jaden, we got Jaden, we got
Nice body.
All right. Watch Cooper on the cross. Stay with it, Noah. Delay.
Come on. Jeez. I feel like I've done 4 specials. I gotta delay, breathe.
Watch the cross. Keep it out of the middle.
Keep it clean.
Nice, Zeke. Way to be there.
How much time do we have for pressing?
That's the
Nice, Ale.
If the basket and 10 people on the sidelines, because everybody's keeping time. So, I mean,
Nice.
Come on,
Beat
keep
it,
get it
Noah.
away.
Nice way to get it up there. Nice, Ale. Got JP.
Set JP. Yes! Oh! That would have been
You got lucky. You made him put a decision. Get ready. Watch Nico. Nice, Noah.
That's it.
first?
Guys, good game first. Good game first.
Good game. Good.
We're game first, Ollie.
Yes, come on in. Nice work. You guys fought to the end. Fought, never gave up, didn't let up. Nice work, all of you guys. You guys have fun out there?
Yeah.
Yes, you guys fought hard. I'm so proud of you guys. All right, hands in, hands in.
First place ever.
All right, we're gonna say good game.
No,
Good game, Culver.
Good game, Kraken.
Kraken, okay. All right.
1, 2, 3. Good game, Kraken.
Black, who was the handball? 23, no. Good game, guys. Thank you. Good game, coach.
Thanks, Ref.
Oh, yes. Good game, you guys.
Good game. Yeah, me too.
Listen. Once you go, there was no problem with this part, right? Is when the deliberate play then ricochets off the illegal markers. That's all. That's all, right? Had it hit that part and you were making a deliberate play or making yourself bigger, it would have been no problem.
Come on, guys.
Went for it. That's what the problem. I'm sorry.
It was all that, yeah.
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me, man? Come on, guys.
Everybody get you one in the middle. Take the cap off. Take the cap off. Take it off. Three. Wait for everyone. Take it off. Less things wet, the better.
Okay.
Okay, some guys have one.
No, we gotta do 3, 2, 1.
3.
Wait,
No, wait.
Wait for everyone. No, you have this. No, you have your stuff.
Don't spit in the water, guys. Come on.
Wait, Coach, go. 3. Wait.
Wait.
3.
Ready? Ready?
2, 1. I think your phone is wet.
I know.
Nice.
Nice work. You guys earned that.
No.
I know.
I told you you should have taken it off.
I know.
You just put it in the warrior.
Nice work. All right, we got medals. We got trophies, I think.
Wait, we got trophies? No.
No, we got to get trophies and stuff.
No, I said let's go. Is it like?
Hold on.
I got sweat.
I do. It was hot out here. All right, I'm going to get the medals and trophies. I'll be right back.
We're doing with this. We should get like a team photo again.
Yeah. Jack. Well, no, we got to do the medals and stuff.
Parents of Culver City, can you please make your way to the championship booth? Please make your way to the championship booth where we will be handing out medals and trophies.
Yeah, let's do it.
You sweating like you was out there running, man. Oh my goodness, man.
Seth is gonna be so
Oh, I
happy.
thought it's just one trophy. We'll pass it
Seth
around.
is gonna be so happy.
Yes, he will. He will.
Hey, Culver City, can you watch yourself? We're bringing the tent out. We're bringing the tent. All right, we're bringing the tent. Use,
We'll turn it. We're going to turn it around.
I caught this. Let's do it. Let's get it.
Culver City Blizzard.
Black team.
Yeah, black team one, yeah. Okay.
they're going to go second then, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna carry. Go ahead.
No, Jaden does. He scored 2 goals.
All right.
Come on, everybody hold